Welcome once again to the Blackwell House kitchen. We're on course 3 for the Valentine's meal, and of course that's dessert, a firm favourite for a lot of people. We're cooking a very simple dessert, one that can be cooked the day before, which makes it very easy. And this is lemon posset. Into a saucepan we put 300 millilitres of double cream. Then we add 75 grams of castor sugar and stir this in. Put this onto a moderate heat and we're going to bring this to the boil. Be very careful. I can't tell you how many times I have let this boil over and it does make a mess. Bring it to the boil, give it a wee stir, let it boil for 2-3 minutes. Again, you have to be with it, don't let it boil over. And then we're ready to add our lemon. So our castor sugar is incorporated now into the milk, and we simply pop a sieve onto the saucepan, and this is to catch the pips from the lemons. And we're going to put the juice of 2 small lemons or 1 large lemon in here. Also in here we're going to put the rind of the same lemons, and we're going to make sure that this is well incorporated. And you can see that I'm using a whisk, but I'm whisking it gently. But just make sure that you do whisk it for a little while the hot milk and the lemon juice make an emulsion. At this stage you can see that there's a lot of froth on top, and I'm going to bang the saucepan, please excuse the noise, and magically you can see we've got a beautiful, smooth, creamy lemon posset. I like serving the lemon posset in a little coffee cup. So if you have any of these sitting in the back of the cupboard, get them out and dust them down for your lemon posset. I'm going to pour the lemon posset mixture into a jug because it makes it a little bit easier to pour into your serving dish. Now you may choose to use a glass dish or a glass of any type. You might want to use a champagne glass. I think it's nice to use something a little bit quirky, like a baby sham glass. We now pop these into the fridge and we let them chill for 3 hours, although if you have a chance, just let them chill overnight. So these are 2 that I prepared earlier, and they're lovely and firm and creamy. So to finish these off, we're just going to pop some raspberries on top. How simple is that? And how beautiful for Valentine's Day.